today we talk about how can you fix that problem you have uh, on your OfferUp. So all you have to do, just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, so you just go down here, just keep going down here, then you click here on apps. So then come to apps list here, and here can you looking for OfferUp, or just go above search, click on it, and here add OfferUp here, then you click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, click here on first stop, then you click here on OK. So then you just go down, click here on storage, then you click here on clear cache. So then you go to your Play Store, just click on your Play Store, and you search for OfferUp. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to fix with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.